Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial again we will learn how to knit winter super bulky hat. It is easy one evening hat for beginners who knows how to knit in rounds. So you can add pom-poms. I like this hat with pom-pom, but the crown also look not bad, so you can wear it without. For this pattern I was using Wool is Thick and Quick yarn from Lion brand. It is super bulky weight yarn and you will need less than half of this big skein, less than half. And knitting needles, usually I'm using 9mm knitting needles. I don't think that you need to use bigger, even though you are a tight knitter. So 9mm will be perfect. So if you want to try knitting this hat with me, let's do it. Using long tail cast on method, cast on 44 stitches plus one more stitch, so in total 45. We are going to use this stitch to join and knit in rounds. Cast on any number that is multiple of 4. So let's join. Slip the first stitch from left needle to the right hand needle. Then with the tip of left hand needle pick up the last stitch and slip it over the first one in this way and drop last stitch of the needle. Return back the first stitch. Pull tight both tails, tail and working yarn, and place the stitch marker. Now start knitting ribbon. Knit 2, purl 2. Also check that you didn't twist stitches while you were joining in round. Knit 2, purl 2. And again, knit 2, if it's easier for you, you can use double pointed needles. And purl 2. Knit 2, purl 2. Please finish this round. Round number 2, we go on ribbon, knit 2, purl 2. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. Finish this round and then go on repeating in total 6 or 8 rounds. Okay. Now the first round of the pattern will be the same, like the ribbon, knit 2, purl 2. Knit 2, purl 2. So that's why it's better to start with 6 rounds of ribbon. Go on till the end. The second round will be again the same. Knit 2, purl 2. Knit 2, purl 2. Please go on till the end. Round number 3, we are going to change. We start with purl 2, then knit 2. And again, purl 2, knit 2. Purl 2, knit 2. Go on till the end. Round number 4, we will repeat round number 3, purl 2, knit 2. Purl 2, knit 2. Purl 2, knit 2. Please go on till the stitch marker. Round number 5 will be the same as round number 1. Means that from this point we are going to repeat these 4 rounds. So knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, then purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. Now we repeat first round, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. Finish this round. After that, repeat one more round, knit 2, purl 2, and after that, two more rounds, purl 2, knit 2. And go on repeating these 4 rounds until head reaches from the edge 19 centimeters. And here I am, welcome back. So let's measure. The head at this point measures almost 19 centimeters, so 18.5 also is perfect. And we are going to start making decreases. So my 2 previous rounds were knit 2, purl 2. It doesn't matter how you finish, so do it then vice versa. Next round, purl 2 together, knit 2 together. So knit 2 together, I don't like a little bit how it looks. So I want, you can actually leave it how it is, but I will turn purl stitches in this way. I have changed the stitch direction. And now slip, knit, pass over. And repeat. Purl 2 together, turn purl stitches. You can knit 2 together through the back loop or make slip knit, pass over. Let's do it again. Purl two together. Slip. So as I said, you can make knit two together through the back loop. The same. Or slip, knit, pass over. Go on decreasing in this way till the stitch marker. Round number 2 of decreases, there will be no decreases. Purl 1, then knit 1. Purl 1, knit 1. Purl 1, knit 1. Purl 1, knit 1, and till the end. Round number 3 we will make again decreases. So knit 2 together all the way around. Knit 2 together, knit 2 together, oops, a little bit tight, knit 2 together, knit 2 together. Please finish decreases. And round number 4, just knit all stitches, all remaining stitches around. Till the end, till the stitch marker. That's it. Now let's cut the yarn. Take the yarn needle, thread the tail, and slip all remaining stitches. One, two, three, four. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 stitches. Pull tight. So that's the crown, not bad. And pull the tail on the wrong side. And now pull the needle once or twice again underneath remaining stitches. And pull always the tail. Okay, now make a knot. Then you can pull once more the needle underneath and cut the yarn. We have one more tail at the beginning. Let me remove the stitch marker. The same weave in and this tail on the wrong side. And pull. That's it. Cut the yarn. That's it, guys. The hat is ready. Beautiful crown. As I said, you can cover it with fur or yarn pom-pom. Thank you again, guys, for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you've got a beautiful hat. Please subscribe to my channel. Check written instruction if you need. Check other hats on my YouTube channel and also instructions for them on my blog. You are free to leave comments and support me if you want with the thanks button underneath this video. Bye for now!